Your first question for the day. With Puran, Gale and Maxwell finding their form slowly and you being consistent and the dead bowling improving significantly, do you think it is finally coming together for Kings 11 Punjab just at the right time?
Yeah, look, if all of that comes together every game, then I'll always be sitting here with a big smile. Yeah, it's important that people start, the guys who haven't really found form so far, it's important that they find their form, and yeah, things are looking good for the team. A lot of things falling in place, and the work put in behind the scenes by the boys, by the coaches, is slowly starting to show on the field, which is a great sign. And yeah, hopefully we can build from here, learn from our mistakes, and go forward with more confidence.
To restrict a lineup that Delhi Capitals have under 170 is a great effort. What are your views on the same and what was the strategy for the bowlers?
Yeah, look, I mean, it's Delhi and teams like Delhi and Mumbai obviously sitting on top of the points table because they're very strong teams, and they've played really well this season. So it was important that the talk was before the Mumbai game that these two games are going to be really big games, but it's important that we stick to our strengths. It's important that we keep trusting our skills and keep coming out every game and try to give it our best and keep trusting ourselves. So that's a good thing that we've done. Like you mentioned, Delhi is a good team, and to bowl the way our bowlers have bowled today is exceptional and gives the bowlers, the individuals, and the team a lot of confidence. And yeah, like I said, hopefully carry the same confidence forward.
Mohammad Shami had another good outing today.
Yeah.
What has been the key to his performance this year and the consistency with the Yorkers?
Look, we all know what Shami can do on a given day. He's been doing that for many years now, and I think the thing this year that's been different about him is that he's shown a lot more clarity. He's put his hand up as a senior bowler. It's important that in IPL the internationals and the players who are representing the country put their hands up, and that makes the team the environment a lot better, and the youngsters can feed off that, and obviously you start winning a lot more games. So it's great to see the way Shami's been bowling, and touchwood, he's the ball's coming out of his hand as perfectly as ever, and hopefully he can get more wickets for the team and keep bowling the way he's bowling.
Glenn Maxwell has had a tough tournament so far, but managed to spend time in the middle today. How important was that for the team?
Yeah, that's very, very important for the team, and it's important for the individual as well. Obviously, when 11 guys are playing, not everyone's going to have a good day on the field. It's important that the team backs the match winners, and we know what Maxwell can do on when he comes good. He gives a lot of solidity to the team, and he balances out the team really well, and he's a great team man. Bats, bowls, and fields really well. So to have Maxi coming in form is a very, very good sign, and yeah, it will ease his nerves a little bit as well. And every batsman loves to hit the ball and spend some time in the middle. So he's played a lot of cricket for a long time, so he knew what he needed to do, and he was very clear as well. And yeah, I mean, really happy that he's come good today.
The last one for the day. Your team has managed to beat the top 3 teams. How does that feel, and what will be the approach for the remaining games?
Yeah, feels really good. We are at that stage in the tournament where we need to beat everybody that we face, and it's important that we take it one game at a time. And like I said, if we keep trusting our skills, if we keep trusting ourselves and the team, it doesn't matter who you're playing against. And we've seen that in T20 cricket that the team that plays the best always wins. It's not about who's on top or who's at the bottom. So yeah, it's important that we stay hungrier and keep getting better every game.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.